Hi guys, Neci LoveHarmon here with She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to clean the Brother XL5340 sewing machine. Some of the things that you will need before getting started is a flathead screwdriver, preferably a smaller one so that you can get into the little nooks and crannies. I'm using an old makeup brush, which is optional, as well as one of these cleaning brushes that can come with a sewing machine, or some type of small brush so that you can clean your machine. So first thing we need to do is, let's get closer. Make sure that you unplug your machine just for safety purposes. I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver here and I'm going to loosen the screws here of the machine. Now that one was slightly loose. And then let's loosen this side also. Lefty loosey. Okay. So we'll put that to the side. Next thing we're gonna do is take off the extension box. The best way to do that is just to pull it off like that. And if you look inside the extension box, you know, it has a little case for you. So let's put that to the side. Next thing we're gonna do is open this case here, and we're gonna take off the needle plate. And usually what I do is I go on the opposite side and just dust. So I'll dust that. I'm going to take off the presser foot. So the easiest way to take it off is to take your flathead screwdriver. The screw is here. You're going to go lefty loosey and go ahead and take that screw out. And this is the presser foot. And you can take your brush and, you know, just brush everything to make sure that everything is pretty clean. So when you get here and here, I'm going to take my small brush. I want to clean the feed dogs. So we want to make sure that that is clean, because lint can get all in there and really mess up the movement of your foot as well as your fabric. So we're going to clean that. We're going to go down in here. We're going to clean for any lint that we can find. And then we'll go around, go down some more. Okay. This one was really, really dirty. I kind of pre-cleaned it before I got started because I didn't want you all to see the mess, but it was horrible. Here's some more lint that's just everywhere. So I'm cleaning back in here. I'm cleaning everything now. Regular maintenance of your sewing machine is so important. You have to clean it often. I'm thinking if you sew a lot, probably every month. If you sew a little, then maybe every other month. But it does need to be clean. Otherwise, it can have lots of mess ups because of that. Next thing we're going to do is open the bobbin case here. We'll set this to the side, and you can take your brush and swirl around in here trying to get some lint, and then we'll go along the inner workings of the machine. Just try to get under here, all over here, trying our best to find whatever we can. Now if you want to do a really intensive clean, you can unlatch these things. And take off this bobbin, I guess, case holder. Clean that. You can take this part out and clean that. And I can show you how to put it back in, and then just clean around the inside of here so you can get more detailed cleaning in your bobbin case. Okay, so this is how you line it back up. I'm gonna tilt the machine up a bit. So I'm gonna turn this piece like this, and I'll grab it here, and I'm going to put it there. Okay, so you see how it's fit in there. And then I will take this piece. You wanna have this part just like this. So you're gonna place it into the case. Now I'm doing this with one hand. So it's sitting here, and you see that's the part where the bobbin, this bobbin part will go in that case, and then I will fasten these back. Now if it fastens, you know that you got it in the right spot. And so there you go. You don't have to do that. It's completely optional, but you know, if you got a really dirty machine, you may have to take that off. All right, let me show you the last part. I will dust all of this off because sometimes it's a lot of lint around this area. Last but not least, I'm gonna take the door off, and I can use my flathead screwdriver. So I will take that screw off, and I will dust on the inside of the door here. So I'll dust all this out, and then I will lightly take my brush and just dust off like the light or anything, but I don't want to dust too much because, you know, a lot of this casing has to do with the oiling of the machine. You don't want to mess up the mechanisms of the machine. But if you visibly see lint, then, you know, I'll do my best to try to just get as much lint out of here as possible. You put the door back on so that it fits smoothly, and then screw it back in. Okay, so screw that back in. Put the machine back together here. So we will add the needle plate, add the screws, please watch out for the needle while you are doing this. You don't want to have an ouchie. Attach it. This is how you attach the presser foot. You complete it like this. Push it up. And put the screw in there. Okay, tighten that up. Okay, so what we'll do is I'm going to use the presser foot lever and reattach the presser foot like that. Last but not least, we put the bobbin back in here. So I open the bobbin door here and place it in that area that I showed you earlier, right at the top. And that is how you clean the Brother XL 5340 sewing machine. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to our page, like us on Facebook and Instagram. Leave us some comments. Let us know what you think of our videos, and happy sewing.